Oh, my cute little baby. Come on. We're going to get a new puppy. Yeah. Sis. Come on. You bought the puppy. Come on. We need to get our new puppy first. But we have to get it the next day, okay? Next day. Oh, there's a stray puppy. Yes, it's a stray puppy. Stray puppy. Ooh, good job. Wanna carry it? Oh, good job. Okay. Come on. Guys, run away. The next day. This is his sleeping spot, and that's also my tail too. Please subscribe, guys. I need a lot of subscribers to get to 1 million. If I don't get to 1 million, I'll stay poor. So please subscribe. Bye. Just kidding, we're not saying bye. I got this teddy bear for him. He loves the teddy bear. He loves sniffing them. But we gotta go to Universal Studios with the dog, and we're gonna bring the dog. Bye, guys. But I'm gonna give him an accessory. Bye. Hi, guys. I'm back. This is his accessory. We're gonna go to the pool. Oh, no. This is a pool. But this is how it looks like inside. It's blue. I know I'll drink. I know I'm gonna drown, but take a swim. I like drowning. It doesn't hurt if I drown. Okay, the puppy, you need to take off your accessories. we gonna drown later? No, we're not. You're about to drown. He is drowning. And the puppy's floating. How come the puppy floats and we don't float? Because I told him how to swim.
Alright, let's get into like treasure cove. No, let's do Danger Beach. But we're gonna have to do it easy because like
And you go out. Me too. La 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 la. La 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 la. We took our stuff, and my mama is gonna want Mimi. Cause I have to get wipey, so hit my tear. I'm washing my face.
function W. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Do your skincare. Have you done yet? Okay. Me and the puppy are gonna be back soon. Okay, see you at home. Okay guys, me and the puppy are going to be sleeping right now. Oh. Thank you, puppy. Thank you so much, puppy. Today I told my mama if puppy could sleep here. She said yes. And I'm so happy he could sleep here. Good night, guys.